This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay, now let's take a look at the gold market. There are some interesting moments now are appearing on the gold market, and the most interesting on the daily time frame is the potential bullish stop grabber. And if this pattern will work and if it will be confirmed by the price action, it could drastically change the overall price action on the gold market. As we said in our weekly research, in the mid-May, there are some wedding festival on the Hindi, and that could trigger some demand on the physical gold from the population that could support the precious metals in the short-term perspective. Although this is a well-known fact and repeating year after year, but that's in fact could be the foundation of this upward action. Besides, if we said million of times, the gold is rather cunning market, and that will be absolutely standing with the character of the gold market. The first grabbing the stops below these lows and returning right back, grabbing stops above these highs before the starting to develop something else, something new. Well, and from that perspective, the stop grabber looks very logical. You can see it has appeared right at the FIP supports when 1422. 3 support with this thrusting move to the upside. You can see that Monday was inside session to the Friday's action. Now we can see another small price action. So actually our major task, as you remember, is trading with this potential continuation to the upside. And we need to take the minor target, the 618 minor extension of this potential ABCD action. But currently it's a bit tricky situation, and you will see what the particular trickiness stand with. But if market will confirm this pattern by the close price, and we need to wait the confirmation of this pattern because it's very unsafe to take the unconfirmed position based on this pattern. You might recall the situation as we have the previous week on euro currency. There were also the stop grabber in progress within the trading inside of the trading session, but by the end of the trading session, by the close, market hasn't confirmed it, and price action was opposite to the pattern that was developing during the trading session. So to not take this risk, it's probably better to wait the confirmation, because you can see the price action on the gold market is rather lazy. It's hardly we could expect some tremendous action within the today and tomorrow trading days. Well, but that is the pattern to keep an eye on the current week, since this could be it could lead to the drastic move, because minor target of this pattern is the previous swing high, and here it is. But if you take into consideration all this price action, that market in fact will return inside of this consolidation, it means that it hardly will hold below this body, and probably it will continue move high, taking out of these highs, grabbing the stops in this area and hit this resistance area, that is the daily overbought and confluence resistance, weekly confluence resistance, 1503. We have talked about this a lot previously, so I will not repeat this again. On the 4-hour time frame, we see in fact the pattern that stands in agreement with this stop grabber, because that is the potential reversal pattern, that's butterfly buy. That is also the completed ABCD pattern that was completed right here, is 100% extension. Okay, and market now, what is going on? Market now is calling around this support area, and the major point here is this lower body of this consolidation. As we said in our weekly research, if market will find force and hold below it, will not return right back inside of this consolidation, well, in this case we could count on the downward continuation. But if it will break this area to the upside again, returns right back, that will look like wash and rinse of these lows, since market just grabbing the stops, returns right back inside of this consolidation. That will suggest continuation to the upper body. and that is in fact what stop grabber on the daily time frame will tell us. So all eyes on this development on the current trading session, because depending on that will depending on this resolving of this situation, will further action will depend, and in fact how market will respond to this resistance area will determine the overall price action in the nearest future. And this butterfly in general confirms the disappearing of the stop grabber, because butterfly is the reversal pattern. And if we will measure the ultimate target of this butterfly, we will see that it stands right here. It's 1506. That is an agreement with the weekly confluence resistance 1503. So that's the target of the butterfly. The market will continue move to the upside, and if it will be confirmed by the stop grabber as well. Another moment to watch for is the hourly time frame, since here is not as all clear as on the 4-hour time frame, because here we have another butterfly in progress, smaller butterfly, that in fact has the 127 extension in the same area as large butterfly has 1618 extension. So because here that could be just minor retracement of the hitting of the 127 target, the market could continue lower to the 15 or 10, 1410 area. That move could in fact erase the stop grabber pattern on the daily time frame. So here we need to wait when the market will cancel this butterfly and taking out of these highs. That will be the confirmation of the potential upward action. So in this case, in general, market will erase this butterfly, this hint on this potential move lower, will confirm the stop grabber, and simultaneously market will return right back above this area. So that is absolutely necessary confirmation signs that market really intends to continue move high. If we will get it by today's close, then tomorrow we will start to find the possibility to enter long, because that will be sufficient moments to justify potential long entry with the minor target, I suppose, around 1503. Because if market will take out of these highs, the stops that have been placed here will add fuel to the potential jump ups. So you can see when the market hit these stops, it has proceeded below this swing low approximately for another 15 bucks, 15-20 bucks even with this low. So if you count 20 bucks from this area here, we will get precisely 1506 area. So that's our trading plan for the gold market. So today's probably we should do nothing, just wait for the confirmation of the patterns that we have just discussed. Either market will confirm the stop grabber, bullish stop grabber on the daily time frame, and will trigger the upward action also by this butterfly. So they will add each other, butterfly and the stop grabber, and market will return right back above this border and above this high, cancel with this butterfly. Or if this will not happen, market will proceed lower with this butterfly, then we should wait again, because the next target will be around 1410. That's the 1618 destination of that butterfly and target of that butterfly. What will happen there? Well, maybe market will reverse by this area to the upside. Who knows? But for that we need first wait when the market will resolving the riddle with the daily stop grabber.